Hi, in front of me is NOKIA 2.4 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. Firstly, open menu and find clock, then click on it. Now select alarm at the top left corner and click at the plus icon. Now you can set up an hour and when you're done, click OK. Then click on repeat and select days of the week by clicking on the chosen ones. After that, you can tap on vibrate to enable or disable vibrations and select label. Label your alarm however you want to and save your changes by clicking OK. Now you can click on this bell icon over here and click dismiss. Over here you can pick one of these melodies and set them up as your alarm sound, for example that one. But you can also choose add new and pick music from your device, but I don't have any, so I will go back, pick one of these melodies, for example that one, and save it by going back. If you're done with your alarm, click at this icon over here, and as you can see, my alarm was successfully added. If you want to turn it off completely, tap on the switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. If you want to delete your alarm, click on this icon, choose the bin icon with delete on it, and as you can see, my alarm was deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!